Hello and welcome back to the PokeDesk. We're getting back into a little bit of Obsidian Flames. We got 5 of the sleeve blisters, most being Dragonite, and 1 of the booster bundles. We'll see if we can get lucky with the sleeve blisters first. Maybe pull another Charizard today. We shall see. Cool. Yeah, you guys know at this point. I just want one of the Pidgey cards, though. Yep. If any of the art rares from the Pidgey line would be good. Here's number 2 getting opened. Card for you guys, which I will say every time. Maybe. Oh no, just a Togekiss Hollow. 3 more. That was rough. Nice. Apparently, I forgot how to open and talk. Forgot how to open packs. Will we get anything from the sleeve blisters? Come on. Ooh, I see something. And we get the Dragonite EX Terra card, another new one we needed. I can dig that. That is our first pull, and we do get something from the sleeve blisters. So, take that as a win. So, I got these little thingies on Temu. I could be putting them in there or something, but that would ruin my whole style, so I'm not going to. But I have some set up now around my desk. All right. There is the first pull, and we got one last. This is the only artwork with the Tyranitar. And then we'll get into that booster bundle. We get lucky there. Code card for you. Ooh, and we do get the full art Ortega. That is another new. I was going through because I was sure if that was a regular holo, but I was wrong. I will most happily take a full art trainer from a sleeve blister. Okay, so we got 2 pulls. I will happily take that. We're getting into the Obsidian Flames booster bundle. Assuming I can get into the Obsidian Flames booster bundle. There we go. Starting there. Alright. Let me slide this. Still doesn't have artwork. Don't know why. Open this up and we should just have 6 Obsidian Flames packs. Lots of Charizard ones. Good assortment. Okay. Maybe. There we go. There we go. Alright, we will get into those first. At least the first 3 Charizards. Let's see if we can get a Charizard out of a Charizard pack artwork. Ooh, and we do get the Reverum EX out of the first pack. I think that's actually another new EX we needed, so we are on the roll today. And just 5 packs left of the opening, but it was nice to get something on the very first pack from that booster bundle. Bam. Go card. Give me an art rare today, guys. Just one. Preferably the piggy. Go card. Okay. Well, we still have 3 packs left. Reverum, Dragonite, and Tyranitar. If Reverum wants to give us anything. Go card. Really like that Shuckle artwork, by the way. Oh. You know I just want that art rare. Just one. Go card. Okay, guys, this is our last pack of the opening. If you liked the video, I know it was a shorter one today. They might be shorter in the future. I am currently trying to cut down on the amount of product per thing. I will explain why in the future. Oh, yep, that was oh man, 1 EX out of the whole booster bundle. Okay, we'll go over our pulls. There is not a lot, but we did get a full art trainer. So there's the Reverum, we get the Ortega, obviously the best pull of the opening. We do have the Dragonite EX Terra card. I do like the Dragonite Terra. It's one of the very few Terras that I've seen that I truly enjoy. But yep, Ortega, we'll take that full art for sure. You guys stay safe, stay healthy. If you like the video, subscribe, do the little notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye now.